Hi Playmate, welcome back to the Play Circle. Today we're exploring this mystery smash box to see what dinosaurs are inside. And we're figuring out if we can actually build dinosaurs. Let's get started. Here we have 6 different pockets with dinosaur footprints. Let's pick a number to see which dinosaur awaits us. Number 2. Let's use this mallet to smash pocket number 2. Okay, it looks like we have some puzzle pieces. Let's count the pieces together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's put the puzzle together. This dino has bony plates on its back. Can you guess the dinosaur? If you got an Ankylosaurus, that's right! They're the size of a tank, and their hard plates protected them from predators. Wow, it's a pullback Ankylosaurus car, meaning this toy does not need any batteries to work. This car looks so realistic. You can see the details on the plates and the colors. It's got really cool pipes coming out of the sides. Let's watch it speed away. What a fun surprise! Let's move on to the next mystery pocket. Number 6. Look, another puzzle. I wonder which dinosaur this could be. There are 4 pieces to this puzzle. Let's put the puzzle together. This dino has wings. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? It's a pterodactyl, but to be more accurate, they're called pterosaurs. And they're actually not dinosaurs. They're flying reptiles that lived during the time of the dinosaurs. And look, another pullback car, but this time it's a pterosaur. Like the Ankylosaurus car, it also has pipes coming out of the sides. The wings make this car look epic. Let's watch it zoom out of here. Wow, what a very entertaining toy. Let's see which pocket is next. Number 3. Alright, so it looks like we have another 4-piece puzzle here. Let's put this puzzle together. From the looks of this puzzle, this dino has a very long neck. Which dinosaur do you think this is? A Brachiosaurus. Although its neck is the most noticeable feature, the Brachiosaurus's nose is on top of its head. This helped them breathe while their bodies were underwater. Okay, there's a lot going on. Here's a power drill. And a bowl of nails. Interesting. We must be building something. These pieces are shaped like dinosaur body parts. Let's play around and kind of put them together. That doesn't look right. Oh, it's a neck. Wait, are we building a Brachiosaurus? I think so. So it looks like a nail would go here. and then the head, Another nail. Okay, it's looking good so far. Now the legs. And more nails. Wow, we were building a dinosaur. This Brachiosaurus looks super neat. And look, it's got wheels so it can roll around. The mouth opens and the neck can shift up and down. What a fun toy to build! Now it's time for a little break. Playmates, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. Now let's head back to the video and see if we'll get to build another dinosaur. So I made a mistake here and didn't even notice until after it happened. Here I picked out the number 4 and I was supposed to smash pocket number 4, but I smashed pocket number 1 instead. So let's pretend that the number I chose was the number 1. Thanks for understanding. We're still going to have fun. So here we have 4 puzzle pieces again. Let's put them together. This dino seems to have large plates on its back. Can you guess this dinosaur? A Stegosaurus. That's right. Did you know that the plates on their backs weren't used just for protection? They were also used to regulate their body temperatures. And look, more dinosaur-shaped pieces. Let's put all the pieces together and then assemble the whole thing. How fun was that Stegosaurus? Now let's see what the next dinosaur will be. Pocket number 5. And again, a 4-piece puzzle. Let's put them together. With the horns on the face of this dino, I know right away that it's a Triceratops. Did you know that these strong horns weren't for decorations? They were used for protection, and their tough parrot-like beak was used to grab and eat plants. Let's assemble this dinosaur. Amazing! This dino sure is cool. Now let's move on to the last pocket, number 4. And like the rest of them, we have another 4-piece puzzle. Let's put this puzzle together. Whoa, what is up with all of these frightening teeth? Is there any way that you can guess this dino? A Tyrannosaurus Rex, or T-Rex for short. Their bite force was one of the strongest of any land animals, and they're one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs to ever exist. That is terrifying. Now let's build our last dinosaur. Incredible! What a spine-chilling dinosaur! So Playmates, can we actually build dinosaurs? Yes and no. We can't actually build the real dinosaurs, but we can build toy dinosaurs. I hope you liked today's learning session. Remember to always have fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, Playmate!